Very much, Conrad. Really appreciate it, and certainly an excitement that lies ahead. And we're looking forward to that June 6th opener. And today actually marks 7 weeks until that game. So we're 49 days to go. So we know the clock is ticking, time waits on no one. So we have our part as well to ensure that everybody is aware of what lies ahead. So up next, we're going to have John Wall now, the head of talent identification and also the assistant coach of the Reggae Boyz, that will speak on the talent identification scheme as well, TDS program.
Hi everyone, hope you're doing well. Thanks for allowing me to be here. More kind of a state of the nation on the TDS project overall is that the academy's been in the works the whole time. Although right now, as a reference to the National Academy, is that it's more the corporate area of Kingston and the surrounding parishes with it. We feel that we need still to empower the parishes based on more regional centers. I think that's the way of accordance to the slogan of FIFA, giving every talent a chance, which is more fair. And this is not a quick fix. This will take time, but the main thing has been making sure that the ball is rolling up at the technical center. So the trainings are, as it is and as it stands, 4 times a week, Monday to Thursday. And what we're looking is to incorporate ourselves part of the U17s league. And because of the, how should I say, the ecosystem for the girls in reference to them is that they will start during the fall due to the schoolgirl football competition going on now, April out. And making sure that we actually do the job properly on identifying the correct players. A lot of voices, a lot of people that are really thrilled overall when we've been going out and meeting clubs. Because the main thing, it cannot just be a JFF thing. This is by all means a club thing too. Clubs will always be better in scouting the players that they need. And therefore, on the back of that, together with us, under the same umbrella, act under the JFF Academy. And that's our hope. So what we are right now is you're looking at 24 players, 20 outfield players, and 4 goalkeepers. That's the start. We know that we're giving them a fair shot to everything, but we all know that the best is yet to come. The moving parts otherwise is scouting. It is added competition overseas, not just the qualifiers, because we need to increase our global competitiveness. And the target ages are 12 to 16, to be fair, because it aligns with the U17 World Cup. To be noted, all U17 World Cups in the following 5 years will be played in Qatar. Believe it or not. Weird, right? Oh, that's how it is. Other than that, we are trying to look at things. We're still working on the back of the 2023 budget. But there will be add-ons that we want to impact the ecosystem. The president mentioned the U17s, but that goes for the girls too. And it's more about working around what's already existing. I'm not here to tear everything down. That's not my job. It's more about finding a custom fit that works within the context of Jamaica. But overall, we need to increase our competitiveness and the contact time that we have with these players, and that they ensure that the best are competing and training with the best. That's about it.